Traveling. Passport. Before traveling abroad, make sure your passport is valid and up to date. GPS. Using a GPS make it easy to navigate through the unfamiliar city and find our hotel without any hassle. Camera. Use a camera to take pictures of beautiful places on the trip. Map. Before setting off the road trip, carefully study the map to plan the best route to your destination. Travel journal. Keep a travel journal to document the adventures and reflect on the beautiful memories of trip. Sunscreen. Applying sunscreen before heading to the beach is essential to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Signpost. The signpost along the hiking trail help to navigate through the dense forest and discover hidden viewpoints. Sunglasses. Never leave for a trip without your sunglasses, as they shield your eyes from the bright rays while exploring new destinations. Belt bag. Pack your essential in a belt bag for easy access while exploring the city. Luggage. Before your flight, double check your luggage to ensure you have everything that you need for the week long vacation. Bag tag. Attach a bright bag tag to your suitcase so you can easily spot it at the airport. Flip flops. Wear flip flops at the beach because they are easy to slip on and off. Postcards. Sending postcards from each destination allows to share travels with friends and family, capturing memories in a tangible way. Neck pillow. Bringing neck pillow on long flights help to sleep comfortably. Bye bye.